big news. Take Profit Trader just announced that now their evaluations are only 5 days. So you only need to trade for 5 days to get funded. It was 10 days and now it's only 5. I think that's a big jump. And I also want to correct a mistake I made in my last video. I wanted to go over and fix what I made a mistake in my last video was the daily loss limit. It says the daily loss limit works the same way as it did in your test account. Intraday versus end of day trailing drawdown, consistent with how the daily loss limit is calculated. Once in the pro account, the trailing drawdown is calculated intraday based on your peak balance, which includes realized and unrealized gains. The drawdown will follow your account intraday as you experience gains, but will not exceed the starting balance. But the daily loss limit stays forever is what I'm understanding. That's not like the best thing in the world, but the cool thing is that they have the Pro Plus account. The benefits of the Pro Plus account are zero margin or margin live accounts that have no daily loss limit, no 50% execution rules, and no, it's a 90-10 profit split. So after you reach 5,000 in profit, you'll be put into the Pro Plus account. From my understanding, you can only have one Pro Plus account. But I think it's really cool that they went to 5 days. I think that is definitely a step up. The only other thing I don't really like about them is the rule on evaluations. So if you go on their page here, it has the 6 core rules. But you notice how number 6 isn't on here? I don't really like that they did this either, but maybe they just couldn't fit it on this page. I'm not really sure, but when I did my first evaluation with them, I passed in 2 days or something like that. And on the second day, the day that I passed, I made well over 50% of my profits. And then I kept waiting for the email telling me that I passed. And then I realized rule 6 is be consistent, which I get why they have this. They don't want traders just YOLOing accounts. I totally understand it. And I would probably have the same thing if I was the owner of this company. Now that you have 5 days, you just got to make sure that you divide the 3K divided by 2, more than 1,500 in one day. You'll be fine. I would have had to have made a lot more because I made quite a bit. I would have had to make at least another $1,000 or so August 5th evening. Get in on this giveaway. If you are in Africa and you don't have a debit card or a PayPal or a credit card, do not enter into this contest because every futures funding prop firm is going to require you to enter your debit card because they have lifetime discounts, right? So let's say you bought a 85% off 25K option 1, which makes it like less than $25 for the 25K account. Let's say you failed and you just let it rebill. They are going to reset your account and you'll get charged at the discounted price. So it's like you get a new account once you get rebuilt. That is why they're going to ask for it. So if you don't have access to at least $1 in a debit card, PayPal, or credit card account, don't sign up for my giveaway. I pay for these giveaways out of pocket, and BlueNox charges me quite a bit for the evaluations. I don't know why they won't give me a better discount on it or just partner with me on it. But the fact is, I pay out of pocket for it. So please make sure you actually want the account and want to trade it. There is actually a couple good discounts. You can check out my website, it's ver.com, and I'll put the link in the description as well. But you come here and it's going to take you to the discount page that I update every day. All right, so I'm adding Top Step. I'm currently in their evaluation. I'm about to pass it to my discount page. But with that being said, they just stopped allowing traders to join their program. I will be doing another video touching more on that. If you're looking to get funded, check out my website, verifiedfundingcompanies.com. Let's go over the current discounts so you guys know what's going on. First off, I'm adding Top Step Trader to the roster. They've changed their whole program. It is really a good program. But today I just got an email saying that they no longer are accepting new traders. Luckily, I'm almost funded with them, but as soon as I get an update on that, I will post about it. BlueNox has 2 sales. You have the 40% off of all accounts, and then another summer sale extended is the 25K for 42, 50K for 48, 100K for 64. You use the code KING and then the account size you choose. And Apex has 50% off and 50% off the resets. And then Take Profit Trader has 50% off sale as well. So now that they only are 5 days to get funded, I think that's pretty cool. Anytime you're on my website, you can click there and then it will take you to the website, or you can click right there. Oh, that's the review. Never mind. Or you can click, oh, there's supposed to be a button right there. I need to fix that. You can also subscribe to my channel and I'll be sending out newsletters here soon. That way you don't got to come to my website. Discounts will come to you. And then there is the only other really good discount I think there is the 40% off of the Funded Trader, which is a Forex prop firm. Usually they give 5% off discounts because they refund you once you pass and get your payout the cost of the valuation. Yeah, it is what it is. I'd rather pay little for the valuation and not get that back because I'm getting a payout anyways. But a lot of people seem to like it. Don't forget to check the description for the giveaway.